Milwaukee introduces the red lithium USB stick light with magnet that delivers unmatched utility for lighting in tight spaces, that adapts, performs, and survives. Adapt to the task at hand with a strong magnetic base and collapsible hook for all access lighting and limitless mounting positions. Take control of your light beam. The compact size and slim light blade design paired with 220 degrees of vertical light head rotation and 4 total output modes provides an optimized solution for working in tight spaces. The red lithium USB stick light with magnet performs with 550 lumens of true view high definition output for tasks that require more coverage, plus a 250 lumen inspection light for quick checks and assessments. This light provides 2 hours of runtime on high and can be charged using the integrated USB-C port or the red lithium USB stick light charging dock. This sequential charging dock mounts magnetically or via keyholes and offers contact pins for convenient charging. Keep a spare red lithium USB battery in the second battery bay to swap out when needed for all-day runtime. The red lithium USB stick light is built to survive the job. This durable light is corrosion resistant to common chemicals found on site or in shop, has a drop rating of 6 feet, and an IP54 rating for ingress protection from dust and water. The red lithium USB stick light with magnet, delivering unmatched utility for lighting in tight spaces.